sitting in first standard. My school name is my St. Philomena's High School. My Chandapura branch.
Preamble.
We the people of India. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to set it to all citizens justice, social.
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwarama Chakradharji, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devagowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
7 continents.
7 continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of world.
5 oceans of world. 5 oceans of world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
Jnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka. Kempu, Dr. B.A. Bendre, Shivanam Kanan, Vakti Visheshayangar, V.K. Kokal, Girish Kanan, Chandrasekhar, Shivaram Kanan.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights. Rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, right to region.
6 ಋತುಗಳು.
6 ಋತುಗಳು. ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು ಚೈತ್ರ ವೈಶಾಖ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ ಆಷಾಢ